your RV has basically three separate electrical systems, okay? You have the 12-volt wiring for the trailer lights, all right? So you have 12-volt wires for trailer lights for the outside of the trailer while traveling, okay? So you can call that, I don't know what to call that, like driving lights, basically.
Yeah.
All right? That's 12-volt. Then you have 12-volt interior circuits, which include like interior lights, the fans, I'm trying to think what else in your unit, the water pump, the furnace, and the water heater all operate on 12 volts.
Okay.
And then you have the regular shore power, which is 120 volt. Actually, in this case, it's 50 amps, so technically it's 220, but we'll just say 120 to keep it simple. And that will power all of your other appliances. In this case, you have residential refrigerator, that's 120 volts.
Mm-hmm.
You have the microwave. There's the
Oven.
Yeah, well, the
oven's all
actually
gas. Yeah.
But you've got like the what do you call that? I think the name right now. Fireplace. Fireplace does provide heat. That's 120 volt required for that. And maybe the TV. I can't remember if that one's the 12. But no, you don't have TV in there actually.
Not yet. No.
And then the AC, of course, is going to be 120 volt. So you got to have shore power for some things. But if you ever lose power, you can still be pretty happy in this. You'll still have water pressure. You'll still have hot water. You still have heat.
Okay.
How long does that battery last?
So for example, with the furnace, it's heating with propane, but it uses a blower to blow the heat around. It's got to have electricity to run that. 24 hours probably, give or take, if you're constantly running the furnace, constantly running different things.
Hopefully not in the
lights.
summer,
Yeah, I mean, you can probably make it stretch 2 or 3 days if you don't run a lot of heavy fans and stuff. Because you got multiple bathroom fans that are 12 volts, and you got, like I said, the other appliances are 12 volts. So if you try to limit what you're using, probably 3 or 4 days if you're only running lights. So.
Are you recording still?
I am.
Stop.